Today we're looking at a fun little transition for something like a summer travel video. Let's begin. Open the Fusion page. While the media in is selected, add a text node. Type in your text, set the size and make it black. Go to the merge node and set the apply mode to overlay. Select the text and press Shift and Space to pull up the tool selection where you can search for the corner positioner. Click Add. Adjust the 4 points to match the perspective of the video. While the corner positioner is selected, pull up the tool selection again, find the transform node, and add it. Now you can make some more positional or size adjustments. Add the polygon node, which will be used to mask out the text. Connect it to the merge node using the blue input. Tick the invert box to show the text again. Find the frame in the video where the waves cover the whole text. We're going to animate the mask backwards. While the polygon node is still selected, left-click on the preview screen to add a point and start drawing your mask. Don't hold down the mouse button, just do single clicks for each point. Make more points where the edges of the wave are. Hold Ctrl and scroll with the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. When you close the loop, your text will disappear, but that's okay. At the end, your mask should look something like this. Click here to enable the mask animation. Now we can start by going backwards every 10 to 15 frames. To animate the mask, just click on a point and move it to match the edge of the wave. It doesn't have to be perfect. At the end, you can add a little bit of soft edge to the mask. I'll put a link to the original video so you can try it out for yourselves. And as always, try to have some fun.